Hey there, I'm Sakina Kazmi, your digital gal, here to simplify tech, funnels, and automation. Let's dive in. So, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add your team members, admin in your Gohighlevel account. So, let's get started. So, first thing you need to go to settings once you log into your Gohighlevel account, and you need to go to my stuff. Yep. And then you need to click on the add employee. Here you can add their information, their email. Okay, I'm just gonna add random email. And then I would recommend that you set up their password because sometimes what happens is if they miss an email, it asks them to set up password and then it expires after 24 hours. So you can set up a password and instead send them an email with the password. So I'm just gonna set it up here. Demo 1, 2, 3. And 3. So that's it. And you can save the password. Now let's see what permissions you would like to give them. So roles and permissions. So this is where you can restrict their permissions of the account. So if they are an admin and they want to manage everything, you can keep all the permissions of the features as it is. If you want to restrict some of these, you can then uncheck and disable some of the features. So that's there and that's it. Let's scroll down and let's go to call and voicemail settings. So if they're also managing your calls, then you can update these settings. So for example, if they are using not from their phone number but they are also managing the account from app, you can select all calls should forward to their mobile app. And if they are managing it from mobile app, phone number, or web app, you can also choose a default channel for ring all so that it can ring either the web app or mobile app or phone number. So and this IVR is for those where in off business hours the calls like there is a voicemail that replays and then it redirects the call or transfer the call to another users. So this can be also changed from as per the preference. And then you can also set up a voicemail message that plays out for each user. So if you have it, you can upload here so that whenever someone calls that user, and if he's not available, the voicemail will play up. And then in the user availability here, you can set their hours, their working hours, or the hours they can answer or pick up the calls. And here you can add their meeting location. If they have a Zoom, they can connect their Zoom. If not, if you have a default link, you can choose custom and add that link here. Then hit save and then calendar configuration. This is important because if your user, even if it's your account, and you have to connect your calendar so that all the bookings show up on your calendar, so make sure that it's connected. For this you'll have to go to the connections in the calendar, so we can cover that later. And the video conferencing, you will have to connect Zoom. So let's go back and our account. Okay, so it's not created because we haven't saved. So let's go back and just I'm gonna quickly adding random email. I think I already have the account with this email. So I'm gonna use a different one, and you can add phone number and then set all the permissions. Next, and save. So that's how you can add your team members in the sub account. If you have agency access, the easiest way is you can create all the team members in agency and you can add them to the specific sub account. So let's go to switch to agency view and go to settings. So in the agency, you can only access if you have the agency access. Otherwise, you can only see the sub account. So let's go to team. And here, if you add the employee, then you have the option to add them to different sub accounts. So that's there. Let's go back. So that's how you can add team members to your account. Hope this helped. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one. Thank you.